In this video, let's look at a recent edition of PineScript strategy. These are a set of functions that allows you to get some information about your open trades and your closed trades from this function directly without computing some of this information. And they work quite well and they're pretty simple to use. So I think it can be useful for you if you want to compute some advanced statistics of your strategy, what went wrong, for example, what trade lost money, and so on. And also it can be useful for you if you want to create some complicated rules for money management, like for example, if you have few consecutive losing trades, you reduce your risk or something like that. So here I have a widget with all these functions, so let's take a look at how they work. So here on the left I have closed trades, and on the right I have open trades, and they quite similar. The only difference is that open trades has nothing for the exit functions, obviously, because they're still open. So now let's look at the second row. For example, here, this is one of the functions, so strategy.closetrades.entry bar index. And the only parameter you have to pass is ID of your trades. So the first trade starts with ID 0, so the last trades will be strategy.closetrades built-in variables -1. So here I defined this variable, and after that I will get like information for my last closed trades and for my last open trades as well. So now let's go through these functions to see what is available to you. So the first one is entry bar index. So you can get information on which bar index your trade was started, entered. And the same you have for the open trades. You see that I have different values for this index. Also, you can get entry ID. This is like I have my long entry ID. This is ID of your trade you define when you enter your strategy. The same for open trades. So next you can get dot entry price. So get entry price of your trade, and also you can get the same for the open trade as well. So you can get entry time. So it will output you Unix time frame, Unix timestamp, and that can be quite useful for you just to analyze your trades as well. The same for open trades. You have the same information as for entries for exits, and this works of course only from the closed trades, so you can get all the same information for closed trades. And next you can get also commission for your trade. What is the commission paid? So for my strategy here, commission is 0 because in parameters I have 0 commission, but if you change these parameters you will have some values here. Also you can get what it was the maximum drawdown for the trades, and also the same works for the open trades. So while a trade is open, what is my like maximum drawdown? The same with the maximum run up, what was possible maximum PNL of the trades, and so on. Also you can see the profit of your trade, what was the profit of your trade, and what is the profit kind of for open trade. And for example, you can compare your like profit with the maximum run up to see what's going on, and like how good your profit targets level stays, or like how good your trailing stop loss works, and so on. And the last function is strategy close trade dot size. So you can get your size of your every trade, and for me it's quite simplistic. I enter with one lot, so it always will be either 1 or like -1. And all this function, they actually works as almost like as an arrays, so you can pass your trade ID and get some information. And let's look on example how it works. So here I have like a small code that will compute sum of PNL for all trades. So how it works? So here I have, so first I define like a variable that will store sum of profits for all the trades. And after that, in the loop, in the for loop, I go through 0 to the first trade to the last trades, which is close trades -1. And after that, like in this loop, I call strategy dot close trades profit function with with my trade ID, and after that I subtract from that commission for the same trade, and this way I can compute my P&L without commissions. So as you can see, it's quite easy to work with these functions, but still they're quite powerful if you want to build like really advanced indicator that can help you quite a lot.